So to answer your question about specific time, I think if I had the problem and I couldn't wait for someone to develop a solution, I would have a text field, and here I've made the instructional text hour, minute with a colon. And then what I've done is I've added a business rule. So if I just put something in that's not in the right format, it's not perfect because I can't check for the whole format, but at least I have to put the semicolon in. So it's not perfect because you can still put the wrong time in, and I can still go like 23, 25, 23, because it's not validating that it's a time, but it will validate that there's a colon in it. So I did that with a business rule. Certain things like being able to format, validate validate the format of something would be handy. So that's how I would do it now off the top of my head. So if that train time does not contain a colon, then give me that error. If you're going to run that through workflows on date time, you're going to have to concatenate it together and turn it back into a date. It might cause you other problems. Yeah, that's the closest thing I come up with right this second. But it's an interesting one to think about. I'll have a bit more of a think. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest features and tutorials. If you or your organization need help with Freshservice, check out our consulting, implementation, training and support services at our website. zest.co.uk. Zest, a fresh perspective.